Righty, let's play some more South China Sea campaign. We are trying to stop an amphibious landing in Taiwan, but I have just been intercepted by what looks like a surface fleet. Okay. All hands battle stations.
On our lost contact.
Okay, rig ship rolls required. We are at 50 feet, so let's get the periscope up.
Upscope.
We're 20,000 yards. Let's see what we can see. Can't see anything on the scope. Yeah, no, oh, we've got something over there. Okay, downscope.
Downscope.
Okay, just got pinged. That's not what we want. So, we're going to stay on this course. And it's time to start classifying. Okay, so if they're pinging me, they have to be. Oh, we lost. Okay, come around. Lost contact on them, that's not good. And we've got hardly any room to play with down here. Now 243 was the contact. Okay, we're still coming around. There should be right if we can come across. They look like they're coming this way. Oh, here we go, Master 1. Okay, what do we got? No, it's not a destroyer. It is a destroyer.
Con sonar. Master 1.
It's a looter. What can they do?
Escort.
Helicopters doesn't look like it. But still, I'd rather fight frigates than destroyers. Okay. Put the mast up again, but the sea's just too choppy at the moment. The last thing I want is put the radar up. Okay, she's hasn't really been not able to spot me from where I am. I've lost contact on the other two. I know that he's an escort, the looter. E2 is an escort because it was pinging me with sonar. So as long as we don't have helicopters, we'll be alright. Or we should be alright. Okay, so it's just following the target. Okay, come on, Luna. I'm actually going to go back. I don't know whether I should turn in. Turn to starboard or turn to port. I'm thinking of a starboard turn and come out across up here. Okay, we got his bearing. So what I might do Down here, okay. So we'll starboard 15. I'd so love to use a radar mast or the ESM, but that'll be the end of it, I reckon, if we did that. So we'll go across his T in a submarine. Where are we? How much depth is there? 333 feet of water. Not much at all. Not much at all. So he's pinging me. Let's come round 30, rudder 30. If we do like a circle, might be able to pick up these two in the total array. He's at 84%. Nope, closer, there he is. Okay, we've got his targeting solution on here.
Con sonar, Master 1 is classified as escort.
Okay, so I had it wrong, just a looter, not a looter 3. Okay, let's put the torpedo off.
2-1, aye sir.
Keep coming around. Right. Yeah, he's close. He's very close. So let's keep going around. And as long as there's no helicopters, I'll be happy. We have to come back around here. We don't want any air defense units either from the mainland. Okay, torpedo is ready.
Con, fire control, weapon acquired.
And she's got him. Oh, there. See, that's what I don't want. That's what I don't want to see. So I'm going to get us down to 200 so we can move a bit faster.
0 feet, dive by.
We're going to get out of here. Because it's the air defense units I'm more worried about than the naval unit, especially if the naval unit doesn't have helicopters. Alright.
Con sonar, new contact bearing 111.
Okay, he's gone.
Designated Sierra 3.
Actually, head back over because we're going to sit underneath this wreck. Where is he? To try and throw off the head of the... Oh, look at that. Coming right over. Oh, that's not what you like to see. Okay, let's just get out of here. Because he's dropping sonar network. Where is it? Can I see it in here? It's down here somewhere. But if he drops any more, then he can triangulate my position.
Make depth 200 feet, dive by.
Okay, Master 2, what are you? I don't know yet. Okay, it must be an escort as well. Oh, there's another one. Dropping these boys in the water.
Con sonar lost contact. Master 2, last bearing 179. Contact faded.
Yep. Contact. We want to keep going.
200 feet, dive by.
Because I don't want this aircraft to be able to triangulate me. I can't see him. There he is over there.
Con, dive at 200 feet, dive by.
Alright. Now I couldn't get Master 2. I'm going to send off the Moss.
Shoot 25.
See if they take the Moss. Send it right between them, and I'll keep heading away. Oop, there's another one. Okay. So where is he dropping these? Let's have a look. There.
Con, torpedo room, tube 1 ready.
Trying to triangulate. See if he had one up here, or even one there, and I went back towards that looter. Would have made it a bit easier for him to judge where I was. Alright, where are you, aircraft? Are you going to leave me alone? Maybe. We've still got surface vessels to find, so we're going to come back up to 50 to have a look.
Make depth 50 feet, dive by.
We're going to stay on ultra quiet.
Rig ship for ultra quiet.
That's our Moss. There's the wreck.
Con sonar regained contact on. Master 2, bearing 191.
What are you doing? He's going over the front of our course, isn't he? Coming back. Master 2. Does it look like a Janway? Looks like it, doesn't it?
Con sonar, Master 2 is classified as escort.
Okay. Janway's a frigate, so they shouldn't have helicopters. He is horribly close. Horribly close. But it looks like they've got a platform to accept a helicopter. Okay. Oh, he's not close enough
Con, dive at 50 feet, dive by.
to get a proper reading. Now my only problem with putting up the periscope is where did that plane go? There he is over there. Okay, let's have a quick look. Upscope.
Upscope.
There he is. There's that plane. Can I mark that?
Con sonar, Master 2 is classified as escort.
Okay, downscope.
Downscope.
Because there's that plane. Now the Moss went off that way, didn't it? Yes, there's three 3 of those now. So the moss has gone off down here. So I'm going to launch
Con sonar regained contact on Sierra 3, bearing
Okay.
081.
So let's turn port, hard port, head north. So we can try and get Sierra 3. Huang Feng, patrol boat, maybe. Still keeping an eye on that aircraft, because that is what's going to get us out of this game. Okay. I actually started playing a 1968 campaign, so when I do some more gameplay of that, I'll put some of that up as well. Totally different. Your wired torpedoes are so slow. So slow.
Fire control, weapon acquired.
I don't think I've ever been so nervous playing a game with that aircraft flying around. It's just really not doing anything good for me. Okay, we're picking up. It's not because it's not classified. Yeah, there we go. Now it is.
Sonar
Okay, so it's an
Sierra
enemy.
3 is classified as escort.
So we have F3 is our weapon. There we go. Okay, there's no room at the back there for a helicopter. Good.
Con sonar noisemaker bearing
You're
217.
gone. You are finished.
Con sonar Sierra 3 is
Oh,
classified
now he's
as
gone right over my path. Merchant. Okay, so I'm not going to fire at that then, which means that I must have done that wrong. You get that? Don't always classify them right on the first go. Is there anything else? I only see 3 contacts, couldn't I? Okay, let's see if we can, yeah, we can leave. Okay, leave combat. Alright. And I classified that wrong. That's alright. It's alright. We got through. Alright, there's some more cold waters, guys. And I bet you it wasn't. Yeah, excellent initiative, not mission objective. See you next time in cold waters. Cheers, guys.